So I came up here to work on this sweater. I'm working on the last arm, but something that's been bothering me for a while is my closet. So I haven't uploaded a closet video here in a while, but this used to be my closet, but now it has a deep freezer in it. There's no place for our deep freezer downstairs, so we just have the deep freezer. This is my keepsake box and just random stuff that I need to go through in here. And some old dresses, Gunny Sacks dresses. This is our humidifier filter thing, and my empty suitcase is back there. I don't know if you can see that. So this needs to be cleaned out, but it's broken. I don't know if you can see. Where is it broken at? I think it's right up there or here. Anyway, it's broken here. You can kind of see here where it sags. So I wanted to do a small wardrobe. So we got this when I was pregnant with Esther because I wanted somewhere to put her clothes, but it ended up not working. So now I've got my clothes in here and my winter clothes over here, and these are my underwear and my socks and my pajamas. I like to make everything summer and winter fit in here. I don't know if it's possible though. So I've got pants. I have quite a lot of pants. Then I have skirts and a pair of pants that won't fit, and shorts in here. Down here I have some cardigans and sweaters that I use in fall and spring. Here I have shirts. And here I have dresses folded up. I'm wearing a dress today. And here I just have some miscellaneous fall stuff. So I have a ton of clothes and I need to go through it. And this has all my winter stuff in it, and this has some pregnancy and postpartum nursing things. I'm still nursing my baby, but she's not a newborn, so it's not like every 2 hours. So yeah. And I'd like to get my socks and underwear in here because, I mean, this is not the most attractive way to store it. So I'm not sure if I need some more storage. I could potentially use that little thing over there too, because my desk is over here now, so I need to pull that out and put that somewhere as well. If this is just, this whole area is just a mess. Here's my bedroom. There's my desk where we sleep, and my husband's closet and our laundry situation. We haven't fixed up this room in the house very much. It used to be my studio before we had kids. You can see that if you go way back on my channel. And here's all of our homeschooling books. So since this room is our loft and no one comes up here, we just haven't worked on it. So, oh yeah, and this is the extra bed because one of our kids usually comes up and needs a place to sleep. So that's what that is. So what I'm going to do is try to go through this. And what I was thinking, instead of separating it the way I have it now, doing outfits and limiting myself to 14 outfits, and that's it. 14 fall and spring outfits. Then I'll have some summer outfits, and then maybe 8 summer outfits, because you mix up the fall and spring, and then winter outfits, because fall and spring I kind of wear the same thing. Then there's summer and winter. So, and I can always just store what I don't think I'll need, and if I reach for it, put it back in rotation. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Thank you.
Plan some outfits.
Thank you. Bye.
Ignore my kids, but I finished my closet. So I moved that mattress here, but here we have 3 outfits. I've just been hanging 3 outfits here. So I have 3 different things to pick from in the morning. Ignore my daughter's stuff that she left up here. That's better. So I have 3 outfits here. This is my basket for my dirty clothes. And then, just like I showed you earlier, I have pajamas, socks, and underwear, and then This is my wardrobe here. And here's that.